Hey YouTube, what's up? My name's Dexter. This is a new channel. This is my first video. So, bear with me here till we get going. Get some more subscribers, just get shit taken off. Now, we're gonna be doing some unboxing videos for hypey stuff, Nike, Adidas, Supreme, designer stuff. We're gonna try and bring a new video every week. So, something you're interested in, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, throw some comments down there for some ideas for the future. But that's about it for now. I don't know. So, got something here to unbox actually for the first time. We got these Nike Air Force Ones, Travis Scott's. See, go ahead, open up, see what we got. Alright, so we got that open. Now, first thing you come across when you open it up, little check marks you could switch out. Just a little Velcro. Really nice, actually. Cool idea. We got those. Check out the shoes. Wow. Check these out. These are nice. These are the sail colorway. Check that out. Got the Cactus Jack there, the Travis Scott grill. And got a little face there, reminds me of Blink-182, honestly. Grill's there. You got the upside down Nike logos on the backs. Let's change some of these up, so let's mix and match them. See how we like. Actually, had to cop these off of StockX. Put in a couple entries for them on the Nike Sneakers app. Fortunately, we didn't get them. So, still wanted them though. So, let's see. Look at that. Fire right there. It's nice. These are really nice. The hard part's going to be keeping them clean, and these are for personal. These are I'm not going to resell these or anything. But see, guys, you can mix and match, do whatever you want, however you suits your style. I like them. They're really nice. But yeah. So, that's about all we got for today. Coming up this coming week, maybe next week, depends on when they get here. I did cop some stuff off the Supreme Fall Winter 18 Week 1. We'll go over that, what I got, what I didn't get, what I would have liked to get. There wasn't really much in that this week that we really wanted. All this shit was kind of not my style, all that leather and stuff. But we were able to get 3 things that I wanted. One of them is for reselling. So, tune in next week for that. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.